Okay, so today you have a couple of different activities. The first activity is transformation task cards. So if you click on where it says transformation task cards, it will take you to the task cards. I also linked them in Canvas. There are a whole bunch of them, okay? You only have to do 10 today. You can pick whichever 10 you want to do. And in your supplemental worksheet packet, there's an answer sheet that goes with these. So you can access that there. I also put a digital copy again in Canvas that you can click on. So you just want to make sure that you're writing down your answers to the correct questions on your answer key. Okay, so if you start with transformation task card 4, you need to make sure you write that answer in box number 4 on your answer key. Okay, so this is the first thing that you're going to do today. I only want you to do 10. You can do more if you want, if you just have a lot of time, but I only want you to do 10. You're going to finish these tomorrow in class. After you do that, the next thing that you're going to do is go to this Desmos game. So you just click on where it says Transformation Golf. It's going to have you sign in using Google. So click join first and then sign in using Google, and you're going to have to type in your name, and then I can go back and see all of the things that you did. There's only a few questions on this, but it has to do with all 3 rotations, or all 3 transformations: reflections, rotations, and translations. Okay. If you have questions about either assignment, you can ask Miss Sykes in her live session.